In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Chase credit card zero liability feature. Now, in this situation, if you're trying to report a fraud within Chase, what you'll first of all need to do is lock your card. So immediately head over to the Chase online banking or Chase mobile phone or Chase mobile app, select the card that you're trying to lock, and you'll be able to see the option called temporary lock. Once your card has been locked, what you simply need to do is call the card member service, basically the number that is available on the back of your card. Now, before you do that and before you make a call, make sure to also take a review of your transactions. Check your recent statements and alerts on the Chase Online to identify the fraudulent charges. So make sure you find out the exact charge that you're trying to report for. And once you do, you can simply call the number that is on the back of your card, and then you'll be able to dispute these charges. You don't need to pay anything extra. This is all included within the Chase feature. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.